up, guys? Hey, it's the open house 2020. We finally made it happen in 2020, and we're doing some stuff. So we got a Supra strapped on the dyno. We're just kind of keeping it chill today. Not a ton of pulls on the dyno, but we wanted to just get some cool stuff on here. So we got a single turbo Supra.
Nice.
She's got some stuff done to her. Looks good. It is very similar. Yeah, I love it. But it's got some groovy.
I literally, no exaggeration, I was sitting there just talking to my dad about a block.
It's a hole in the block. That big.
Hey, well, I know a shop that has a 2J sitting right back there.
There's 2J right there.
I can take that when I bring you a four.
It's JB Weld. You're good.
Man, we're sorry.
I know you. I mean, it's nothing, you guys.
Oh my
All right, guys.
golly. Hey, I found your
Down the bottom end.
oh, I found 2 main caps.
Here, give me a little video, brother.
We got a couple main caps down there. No. You might have to zoom in later. There's parts of your block.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I think the main one, it's got a huge hole in the side.
Yeah, through a rock.
All right, well, the first car was interesting.
That's what happens when you try to go 1,000 horsepower on a stock block. It's not wanting to. There we go. Yeah. There's. Hey, there's your ARP bolt. Oh, she's bent too, man. Look at that.
Yeah, Chris.
Yeah, Chris.
Jerking that box off right there pretty well.
That's a souvenir is what that is. Just SUPRA.
I said none. That wasn't my own.
Ed, what are you doing over there, man?
Hey man, just you know,
Look.
doing a normal thing.
Vacuuming the concrete.
Yeah, just vacuuming the concrete pit. We found a loose connection, that's why the bridge wouldn't move. But I had these covers off, so I'm like, well, while the covers are off, might as well go ahead and clean it. Might as well get the like hundreds of pounds of tire that are down here.
It's really nasty down there.
Tire and bugs. So, dude shows up with this beautiful Supra, wants to throw it on the dyno. Apparently that was like coordinated before the open house, right? Cause
Yeah.
Because it was kind of invite only. So, get the car on here, get it strapped down, rolling good, go to make the first pull, and boom. Kaboom, right? Come to find out, this guy had been running 840 horsepower with 700 foot-pounds of torque on a...
That's what it dynoed at 2 years ago when he had it done.
So it's been running this for 2 years.
2 to 2.5.
Oh, he wasn't real sure.
Oh.
The kicker is that was on a stock bottom end with like 33 PSI. So the problem is the stock bottom end. Like it wasn't a question of like, will it let go? It was always a question of when on that bottom end. So
2 to 2.5 years on that much power on the stock bottom end.
right. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
The bummer is that he drove like 3.5 hours to get out here. Luckily his dad is here in town, so we let him borrow our trailer, take it over to his dad's place. Just for anybody that's gonna say some crap about it's not our car. We didn't build it, you know. He signed a waiver to put his car on the dyno. He wanted to have it run. Ed, as soon as we saw the smoke come out of the hood, you can see Ed shut the car off, and the rollers are still running, so it's still making that whee. And so Ed didn't do anything wrong.
I didn't, I swear.
And
I feel horrible.
Yeah, I mean, it sucks. Like, it seriously sucks, but, you know, we just don't want anybody to, like, think that...
We blew it up.
Yeah. I mean,
It was
technically, Ed was driving it when it blew up.
Technically, but...
I just worked for the company that was having a dyno day.
Yeah. But yeah, so I mean, it's a bummer, but I mean, his car is pretty freaking cool, so I'm sure I'll have it back. And the funny, he said he was super cool about it. I mean, like if my car blew up on a dyno, I don't think I would be as calm and collected and cool as he was. So, but he was joking with he said he was joking with his buddies right before then that. You know, it might be about time for a forged block, you know, and built block.
You think so?
Yeah. Wide body prep for Hunter's car. We
Finally fitting that mess.
Yeah, I fitted it up yesterday and the day before, and like got the kit to fit, and so now we're just doing the thing that we do. You know, it's BN rear quarters, BN side skirts, Duloc front bumper, and Yannick front fenders.
Is that the stuff over there?
Yeah, it's all that.
Just want to check it out really quick.
Super aggressive. Like if you remember the black wide body R32 GTR that we sold a while ago, same front fenders, same side skirts, same quarters, same rear bumper. The only thing that's different on this car is the front bumper. But
wow.
Got that trim, everything's fitting, clearing the intercooler and the piping and stuff. And actually was hitting the blow-off valve too, so that was...
This kit's a little nuts compared to our usual bumpers. This is like a full size, like...
Oh,
it's got everything included. The lip and stuff is already in the bumper, which is cool.
It's aggressive.
Glad you guys came. I'm glad you guys enjoyed everything. I'm sorry, Super Guy, your car blew up. So like I said, make sure you like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time, guys.